Today, we are teaching my oldest daughter how to make chicken. It's not like to touch the chicken, guys, but today she's gonna get down because mommy cooks all the time for her and touch this nasty little thing. So it better be tasty. Right? Good. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Empty. Wow. Wow.
This one looks so spicy.
Give me this. Look. Like this, sweetie. That's...
Don't get it, man.
Sorry,
not too much.
Not too much, but not too
That's
little.
a lot.
Why? How about I put the oil? I put the oil.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
It's good.
It just hurts so much.
Sometimes when you can't put it out.
Hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Come on. Hell no, to the no, no.
Oh, you touched it.
I'm gonna make the salad now.
So what are you doing here?
Making a salad.
A salad? Wow, that looks good.
Tell me if tell me if my cucumbers are.
You ready?
I'm ready. Wow, look at this presentation, guys.
I did the salad. Ava cut it up these beautiful cucumbers, and I added watermelon.
Oh, good. Thank you.
We're
Okay, try it, Ava. Try this chicken. Come. It's good. 10 out of 10. Wow. I'm so proud of you.
It's like a sweet chicken.
Delicious. I love it.
It's like my favorite chicken.
Try it again.
Adriana,
Now let's eat.
Adriana, you made my favorite chicken, and I like the spicy, but it's not spicy. It added more flavor.
She didn't even eat my chicken. Guess who's making the chicken now?